10 Little Unicorns. 10 little unicorns are summoned by the Queen.
The royal chef has disappeared.
He's nowhere to be seen. We need his birthday cake for Princess Petal's special day. Can you help me, unicorns?
They all say, "Nay!" 10 little unicorns go hunting for a sign.
Fee, fi, fo, the witch might know.
Now there are 9. 9 little unicorns start to levitate.
Don't step on the toadstools.
Now they are 8. 8 little unicorns.
This cottage tastes like heaven.
Zap! They've made the witch quite cross. Now they are 7. 7 little unicorns aren't fooled by Wolfie's tricks.
You pesky unicorns.
Now there are 6. 6 little unicorns. The forests come alive with lots of ghouls and ghosties. Now they are 5. 5 little unicorns saved by Merlin's door. Splotch! Mind the pudding bowls! Now they are 4. 4 little unicorns search the golden tree.
Shush. Don't wake the dragon up.
Now there are 3. 3 little unicorns. That looks fun. Woohoo! Sliding down the rainbow. Whee! Now there are 2. 2 little unicorns ask, "Where's the royal chef gone?" Splash! The frog prince doesn't know. Now there's only 1. 1 little unicorn, sad and in despair. The royal chef's still missing and they've hunted everywhere. But then the little unicorn makes out a tiny sound. A voice is shouting,
Let me out.
from somewhere underground. She opens up a hidden door, and there he is! Hooray! "Thank you," says the chef, "'cause I've been trapped down here all day. I thought I'd hide the cake so it would be a big surprise. But then the door blew shut, and no one seemed to hear my cries. The guests will all be waiting, but the cake is quite a wait. Can you help me, unicorn? I hope we're not too late." Princess Petal has arrived, and all her guests as well. Here's the cake. Wow, what a sight! And what a tale to tell!
Thank you,
says the Queen,
for you have really saved the day.
10 little unicorns all say, "Nay!"